Morning students, today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is addition of fractions. In previous video we have discussed comparison of fractions. So students, let's continue our topic, that is addition of fraction. In addition of fractions we require like fractions to add, because we can add the fractions whenever denominator is same, and whenever the denominator is same, that fractions are said to be like fractions. So let's start. First we discuss additions of like fractions, how to add like fraction. So the other first topic is addition of like fractions. Now let's take this one with the help of one example. For example, I am taking the first question of our exercise, and on the behalf of this exercise I am going to solve this one. Exercise 5.6. Question number first, that is based on like fraction. 11 by 17 plus 40 by 70. Okay student, these two fractions are given and they bounded with the addition sign. So that's when we have to add these fractions. So how to do this one? To find the sum of the fractions, we have to follow one formula. That is, first we are writing below the common denominator. Okay, whatever the denominator is common between the two fractions, that denominator we write, and then after we write sum of numerator, sum of all numerator. Okay, I am writing numerator in short, sum of all numerator. So same method we follow here. So students, now denominator, common denominator is 17. Okay, sum of all numerator, that means 11 plus 40. This we can write directly in case of like fractions only. If the fractions are unlike, then we follow the different method. So this only we will do in case of like fractions. So 11 plus 40. So we can write here students 51 by 70. That is our addition, that is our answer of these two fractions. Let's take another example. If instead of 2, the fractions are 3, like 12 by 31 plus 20 by 31 and 5 by 31. What we observe here, the same, the denominator is equal, and whenever denominator is equal, the denominator write as a common denominator, and directly we write there numerator. Okay, 12 plus 20, 32, 32 plus 5, 37. So here the answer is 37 by 31. Okay students, if you get the answer in improper fraction, then you can convert this one in mixed fraction. How? 31 1 ja 31 and remainder 6. So 1 6 by 31. Okay students, you can convert in mixed fraction in case of improper only. When you get the answer improper, then convert into mixed fractions. Okay, now take the question number second. In question number second, we have to find the missing part. Missing part is based on fractions only, and the fractions are given like fraction 2 by 19. Then the fill-up is given as a numerator, then 7 by 19. And the answer we get from here 14 by 19. So students, we know very well this addition is sum of these three. So what we can do, the total is 14 because denominator is same, so I am not writing the denominator. Okay, denominator is sum is 14. The sum of these two terms, 7 plus 2, 9. So if from the sum, if we subtract 9, then we can get the missing term, and missing term is 5, because from here we get the result 5. Okay students, now in this way we have to complete our question number second. The second part is like same only, then you have to solve it by yourself. Now then after question number third, in question number third they have given continuous 3 like fractions and we have to solve them. So let's erase this first. Okay, now question number third. In question number third they have given we have to add 7 by 15 plus 1 4 by 15 plus 8 by 15. Now what is the question? we have to first find the addition of this one, and then after whatever the answer we are getting, that convert into mixed fraction. So first, whatever the mixed fraction is given, that convert in improper. So 7 by 15. 15 1 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So here it will come 19 by 15. And this is 8 by 15. Now all the fractions denominator is 15. So here our common denominator is 15. So we will write this denominator as a common. So from here 7, from here 19, and from here 8. 19 plus 7, 26, and 26 plus 8, that is 34. Check it again. 19 plus 8, that means 27. 27 plus 7, 34. Now we get from here answer 34 by 15. Now convert in mixed fractions. If we convert in mixed fraction, if we count the table of 15, 15 1 15, 15 2 30. Okay, now I am showing the division also, okay, how I converted. 34 divided by 15, 15 2 30, remainder is 4. So whole number is 2, 15 2 30, remainder 4, and denominator will remain same. 15 2 30, 30 plus 4, 34 by 15. This is our question number 3rd. Okay, now move to the question number 4. In question number 4, they have given two fractions whose sum we have to find out, but now this time they have given the fractions unlike fractions. Okay, and we have to find the additions of this unlike fraction. So how? Let's see. So now instead of like fractions, we are going to discuss about unlike fractions. The next topic of this one, unlike fraction. So students, for unlike fractions, the same method we follow, but the one thing is different. Here we require LCM of denominator. So first of all, we have to find the LCM of denominator. Then after, we write that LCM as a common denominator. And according to that, we have to convert our numerator. How? Let's see with the help of example. Question number 4. Find the sum. That sum is 7 1 by 3. The first part I am going to explain here. And 4 5 by 12. Okay, student, this one is our equation. 7 1 by 3 plus 4 5 by 12. So 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 1, 22 by 3. Okay, and 12 4 is 48. 48 plus 5, 53. Okay, now first step we have done, we have converted this one into improper fraction. Once check again the calculation. 7 3 is 21 plus 1, 22, and 12 4 is 48. 48 plus 3, that's meant 53 by 12. Now the first step, step 1, that is LCM. In step 1, we require LCM of denominator. So denominator is 3 and 12. So if we take the LCM of 3 and 12, we get the LCM 12 only. How I find the LCM? This method we are going to apply here. 3 and 12. If we take 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, and we multiply this both, then we get the LCM 3 4 is 12. So here the 12 is already, so no need to convert. We have to convert, students. So here also we can apply the two method. The first method, like we have discussed in our previous exercise, how to convert in like fractions. So you can convert in like fraction and add. And the second method is directly. How to do the directly? Take this LCM as a common denominator. Written. Now when we divide this 12 by this 3, we get the answer 4. So the numerator only multiply with 4. Okay, and 12 1 is 12. So 53 multiply by 1. Okay, students. Now then after 4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. 53 1 is 53. And denominator 12. 8 plus 3, 11. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So 141 by 12. Let's check again. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 carry. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. Now convert in mixed fraction. 12 1 is 12. Remainder 2. Then again 12 1 is 12. 21 minus 12, 9. So here we get 9 by 12. Students, the another method, it is possible to cancel by 3. How? 3 4 is 12. 3 7 is 21. 3 4 is 12. Now then after you can convert 47 by 4. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, then 3 by 4. In both cases the answer is correct. If you write this also, then also answer correct. And if you write after cancellation and then after you are converting in mixed fraction, then also your answer is correct. So like this we have to solve the rest part of question number 4. Okay, in question number 4 some part they have given in like fractions also and some are unlike. Okay, now then after move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is the same kind of question number 4. They have given some numbers and we have to find their addition, their sum. Okay, let's see then how. Okay, question number 5, add the following, then I am taking its fifth part. 2 11 by 100 plus 3 21 by 25, and we have to find the addition of these two. First step, they have given question in the form of mixed fraction. So this mixed fraction convert in improper fractions. 100 2 ja 200, 200 plus 11, 211 by 100. Sign between plus. 25 3 ja 75. 75, if we add 75 by 21, then we get 96. Check it. 5 plus 1 6, 7 plus 2 9. So here we get 96 by 25. How I convert? I'm going to repeat this one. 100 multiply with 2, 200 plus 11. 25 multiply with 3, 25 3 is the 75, and 75 plus 21, then we get 96 upon 25. Okay, now then after we step second, LCM of 100 and 25. If we take the LCM of 100 and 25, the LCM will be 100. Okay, LCM will be 100. So write the LCM as a common denominator. 100 1 ja 100, so 211 ja 200. 111. 25 4 ja, because whenever 100 divide by 25, then we get the answer 4. So this fraction 96 numerator multiply by 4. Okay, we write as a common denominator 100, 211 plus 6 4 ja 24, carry 2, then 9 4 ja 36, 36 plus 2 38. Now I am going to cross check again this calculation. 4 6 are 24, 2 carry, 4 9 are 36 plus 2 384. Now 384 plus 211, 4 plus 1 5, 8 plus 1 9, and 3 plus 2 5. So from here we get, students, 595. 595 upon 100. Okay, both are multiple of 5, so it very easily they can divide with 5. So let's start. 5 1 ja 5. Okay, 5 1 ja 5, 5 9 ja 45, 5 2 ja 10. From after cancellation we get 119 by 20 and 25 ja 100. So 5 9 by 20, 19 by 20. 25 ja 100, 100 plus 19, 119. So students, we have discussed here the question number 5. Question number 4 and 5, same kind of the questions. They have given the addition of improper fraction, addition of unlike fractions. So first of all, how we have to solve? First of all, we have to take the LCM. Then LCM write as a common denominator, and according to that numerator multiply with the number. Now students, many times students, what the common mistake they are repeating, they forget to multiply this numerator. Okay, so don't forget this one. Check this LCM divide by 25. If we divide by 25, we get the answer 4, and this 4 compulsory multiply with numerator. Students, if you will not multiply with this numerator, then you will get the wrong answer and your question will be wrong. So it happened because whenever I check the answers sheets and answers, most of the students are repeating this mistake only because they know very well how to convert in LCM, everything they have done clearly, but afterward they forget to convert this one numerator also. So don't forget this one. LCM divide by denominator, whatever the answer you are getting, that multiply with numerator. If you are getting from here 1, so numerator will come as it is. If you are getting here answer different, so that number will multiply with the numerator and we are writing here. Afterward the same procedure, add the numerator and then after find the answer. If the answer is improper fraction, then convert this one in mixed fraction. So students, today we have discussed exercise 5.6 question number 1 to 5 and we have discussed two type of the fractions. First, like fractions. In like fraction, no need to take the LCM, directly add the numerator and find out the answer. But in case of unlike fractions, LCM is required. First take the LCM, then after add this one and then after find the final answer.